This is the SmartSign2Go Sign Player Lite device. This is a wonderful little machine. It's our most popular player. It's built on Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is out of the UK. It is running in hundreds of thousands of businesses around the world, so a very reliable, solid platform to build on. We have it arranged here in this custom aluminum flirt case, which requires no fan, so it's solid-state hard drive, no fan, no moving parts, very reliable, and works for most projects that we see at up to 4K resolution if you're not using video. If you're using video, then we have just a nice clear HD resolution on any TV. And if you're needing something more advanced, we have other models that are great for that. We have everything you need to get started right here on the workbench. We've got the power supply, of course, the HDMI cable, the device itself, and this handy wireless keyboard and mouse. So if this sounds like something that suits your project, you can pick one of these up through our Amazon store, of course, directly on our website as well. And we'll be here to help you with any questions you have along the way.